Today we have the 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This vehicle has done just under 38,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our vehicle settings, smartphone integration, media, radio, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.